I started making the ULU bowl, that's the title I kind of gave it, when I was a student in NASCAD back in the early 90s. And it was actually the ULU bowl that helped gain my recognition today through the Indian Art Quarterly from back in the day. I like ULU bowls. For me, family is important. I grew up with a very close family. We were very close. We spent our summers together most times, and all my cousins, we all knew each other very well. I didn't even know most of the kids my age on my street because we hung around with my cousins every summer. So what I titled this one is, it's a representational QUILLIQ, the top 3 ULUs. And the bowl, or the QUILLIQ, represents the QUILLIQ, which is a soapstone lamp that you see women will light during ceremonies sometimes nowadays when they're having numerous ceremonies. But it was always used as either lighting up the igloo, plus heating the igloo, plus cooking food and drying clothes. It was a very important tool. Women always had one to carry with them, and they used to use seal fat for the most part, and they would use like cotton grass as what was like the wick of it. But this one here is, my ULU bowls are about families don't become a family until a third person is introduced. So you have the husband, wife, and then a child. So that's why I have this. They're all in a round like that to make a triangular shape, but they're holding hands, keeping warm around the QUILLIQ. This one here is sterling silver, tulip wood, and brass. Just to give it a little bit of interest by throwing in the brass to give highlight the different materials.